Today we are seeing low volume FM radio. This is a required component for low volume FM radio. In this video we can see two more and new component. This is called power amplifier IC and this is called frequency module IC. So two batteries are already connected on the circuit board. For connecting series two batteries we are using the two snap connector. Two snap connector connect between the positive side of one battery and negative side of another battery. Now you can see here these two batteries are in series. After that we are connecting the four snap connector, the positive side of one battery, and for connecting positive side of battery and four snap connector we are using the slide switch. Okay, now you can see here one power amplifier IC are connected here. After that, for connecting these two terminals we are connect one single snap connector and connecting these two terminals and two snap connector. Okay, now you can see here this is a 5 snap connector. We are connecting one side of negative side of second battery. For connecting these two terminals we are using the 3 snap connector. Now this all terminals are negative terminal. For connecting the speaker for here and here we are connect one single snap connector for equally. After that connecting this speaker one power amplifier IC to negative terminal of battery. Okay, now you can see here this is a frequency module. For connecting the frequency module we are connect on the circuit board and connect the center point of the frequency module and center point of the amplifier in one LED. Okay, now you are connect two snap connector positive side of frequency module, and now you are connect the 3 snap connector negative side of frequency module. Okay, now you can see here this is a 3 snap connector connect to the negative side of the battery and power amplifier. Now you can see here this is your low volume FM radio is ready. When you are slide on you can see here one frequency is generated, one frequency is connect, and our FM radio will be start. When you are changing the signals now you can listen the Rahat Fateh Ali Khan's song is playing on this video. Thank you friends.